Scatman's World.
Bella raga, ciao a tutti dal commendatore veneziano, NBA 2K14, Xbox One ragazzi, questo gioco promette di essere una bestia. Ho provato a fare una partita Miami contro Clippers, ero i Clippers ragazzi, ho preso le bombe. Quindi andiamo contro una squadra un po' più scarsa per non evitare figure di merda come indiana a livello pro. Ragazzi, è una cosa devastante, ha una grafica no spettacolare di più, però il gameplay è cambiato tantissimo, è più veloce. Minimo fallo, sono cazzi tuoi, il tempismo è diverso. Impossible proprio, no Miami, mi spiace, ora mettiamo... Ma giochiamo fuori casa, Vai, Phoenix, squadra che mi sei piaciuta per i colori. Contro io chiaramente mi metto i miei Clippers. Voglio andare con i Clippers. Voglio contro i Clippers. Voglio i Clippers. Ok. E andiamo ragazzi, ho messo 2 minuti perché voglio farvi vedere un po' il gioco in maniera veloce. E poi ragazzi aspetto il vostro commento. Se volete se devo continuare la carriera su PC o se invece cominciare la carriera qua. Secondo me mi sembra abbastanza scontata la risposta, perché sinceramente ho visto la grafica, ho visto il gioco, merita tanto fioi, merita. Vai ragazzi, non voglio commentare tanto, voglio lasciare lo spettacolo delle immagini.
The Clippers as the road team for today's Western Conference matchup. Welcome everyone, I'm Kevin Harlan, joined by Clark Kellogg, Steve Kerr, and Doris Burke. We get set to bring you some terrific NBA action. Now a chance to check out tonight's starting lineups. A treat to watch as always. Chris Paul looking for a...
Guardate che roba ragazzi. Paul, Redick, Daly, Griffin, Jordan.
But defensively, he's one of the best point guards.
Dragic, Bledsoe, Green, Murray, Gurden.
Top of the list in terms of most steals per game. Very strong.
Spettacolo puro ragazzi.
Maybe not as physically
Graficamente fa veramente paura,
Yeah, he is that. He is deceptively strong and has great anticipation, and if he does pilfer it from you, he knows exactly what to do, whether leading the
Fa
break
paura,
or
Fiori,
lay
fa
up to somebody
paura.
else or getting to the rim for his own basket. I mean, he can dish or switch. Pick your poison
Mamma
with him.
mia, mamma
Taking a look
mia.
at Phoenix. This is a team showing a better
Vai,
record this
inizia
over
a
last
Phoenix.
season was their goal, and it's coming to fruition so far.
Ragazzi è difficilissimo il gioco, poi comunque.
They made some real strides
Paul.
here in this young season, moving solidly into the playoffs.
Merda, subito cagata come indiana.
worst last season. That's an impressive accomplishment.
No, interferenza canestro di Griffin.
Continue with their momentum.
Mamma mia, è
He got
pazzesco.
there late,
Fiori.
but you do have to like the aggressiveness to go after the block. But that
Paul.
was going to count. Well, coming off his impressive showing in the 2012 playoffs last season, really a breakout season for the dynamic Eric Bledsoe.
Now here's Jordan, averaging 10 points per
Paul.
contest.
Solo rete.
On the
Chris
assist by
Paul.
Dudley.
Poor job defensively, giving him such a clear look at that three-point shot.
Occhio. Difendiamo.
Bledsoe, guarded by Redick. There's
Bravo.
and stolen by Jordan. And Redick kicks to Dudley.
Vai.
Dishes it to
Redick.
Feeds to Dudley.
3.
Three-pointer.
Avevo tolto Griffin, cazzo.
And Phoenix will come the other way. And Clark, going back to Bledsoe, we knew how tough he could be at the defensive end of the floor, but his progress
Bravi.
offensively.
Ancora una scusate ragazzi, pareggio come indiano. Totalmente incantato da questo
Really
gioco.
in the place.
Che non capisco più niente.
Yeah, early in his career, you could back off in defense.
Prendila,
He
e che
didn't have a lot of
cazzo,
confidence
però.
in his shot, but he improved there, and he's such an amazing athlete that he has the ability
Bello.
to
Bello
play
questo. Puoi difendere ancora più difficile. Dare una pippa prima.
for the defense.
Paul.
Ball against Dragic. Paul kicks to Griffin.
Vai Griffin. Ah,
And there's
peccato.
Russell fouled hard on
Guarda
the
Griffin
shot.
come è fatto ragazzi.
It's his first trip to the line. No good
Mattone
on
ragazzi, mattone di Blake.
platoon swap here for the Clippers.
I liberi sono difficilissimi, Fiori, ma porca puttana.
So for Phoenix, their last game, a win against Charlotte.
And a very confident performance offensively.
Really? Calma.
How this team clicks. I mean, when they're communicating,
Vuole prendere le bombette da
sharing
Phoenix.
the ball, they're tough to beat.
And Steve, you gotta love that kind of performance on the road. I mean, to be a great team.
Bravissimo, bravissimo. No, la sbaglia! Ma non ci credo. Questo gioco è veramente devastante. Io lo consiglio a tutti, fioi.
Here's Marshall.
Ecco, triplone alla fine. Che culo.
And that concludes the first quarter of play. Phoenix ahead, leading by 6. And the
Fantastic.
November 20th.
NBA Today. Sono diventati un gioco scarso, eh.
Now the second quarter getting ready to start up. And taking a look at the Suns' performance here, Clark and Steve, what have they
Il
been
nostro
doing?
Comendone deve veramente allenarsi a bomba, perché mi sembra ancora più difficile. Bravi. Crawford. Sandy Crawford.
And now let's check out the lineups courtesy of Gatorade. Filled up and ready to go.
Fallo di ostruzione.
Second quarter to play. And Phoenix looking who they've got on the floor. They've got Brown. Then out there with Marcus.
Arriva il libero, che bello.
And it's Tucker in at the 3 spot.
A lot of people had Antoine Jameson, guys, pegged
Buono,
as the
due liberi.
sixth man of the year when he joined the Lakers, but
È che è difficile anche penetrare, è più semplice su All Generation fare le penetrazioni.
Morris passes to Bledsoe. He dishes it to Morris.
Occhio.
Right side, Green.
Stoppatone, Dudley.
Passes to Collison. Into Jordan.
No, cosa volevo fare?
It's stolen by Green. Fast break
Cosa
on
volevo
the
fare?
Suns.
Meno male, meno male, meno male.
On the sideline.
Well, gentlemen, it's not often you see
Oh, la bella Doris.
coach.
Ciao
The
Doris.
Clippers did just that to get Doc Rivers. The Clippers gave up a first round.
Oh, come cazzo me l'ha fregata?
He is their guy. He has a title on his
Non ci credo.
resume, and that's
Interferenza.
why the Clippers will
E prendiamo le bombe anche da Phoenix. E prendiamo le bombe anche da Phoenix.
felt it was time for a change, and the Ladley took
Tira il canestro 1 su 5.
take over a team that can contend immediately. Gentlemen,
No question he can help. Thanks, Doris. Paul dishes to Jordan.
Oh, meno male, fallo sul tiro
Gave
anche.
him a step, but he took
Bravo,
it all
Jordan.
the way. And Antoine Jameson, a versatile
Madonna, che
scorer.
libero, fioi.
Flip shot in the lane. Range out beyond the three-point arc.
Fallo.
He has a full bag of those kind of shots.
He does. He's got an interesting game, Kevin. He's been able to hit that in-between floater for a long time, but he's gotten better.
Occhio
with
da
the
solo.
as he's gotten older.
Dai, però, cazzo.
Oh, he's going to keep banging those home if he gets
7-14, via, in 2 minuti.
And it's Paul penetrating, and it's blocked by Drake.
Niente, non va, non va.
Did they go 2 for 1 here?
can they get a good shot in time? That's the question.
Kept alive. Here's Gortat.
Prendila e prendi un rimbalzo però.
Out of bounds. The Clippers take possession. Big group
Cioè, no ragazzi,
substitution
veramente
here for the
graficamente
Clippers.
è un altro gioco, eh. È un altro gioco.
The Los Angeles Clippers, they come into this one following a loss to the Thunder in Oklahoma City.
Yeah, they gave away a lot of points at the free throw line in that game. Maybe it was being on the road, maybe...
Dai Paul, questa è tua. Bravo Paul.
Steve, I don't know
Voglio
if
vedere
it was the
Griffin per
biggest
l'azione,
reason for that
fioi.
loss, but clearly the misses from the stripe had an impact.
Here's Len. No good on the shot, a bit long that
Nel primo
time.
tempo.
And we're through 2 here and a good one. Suns lead by
Nel
5.
primo tempo. Fine.
Look, giving up
no,
that
col
Rivers and
Doc.
What was happening for the team in
Ma che
that
roba,
first
fioi,
half,
ma
and
sai,
how do you
guardate la
approach the rest of
differenza.
this game?
I thought we missed some
E voi la
quick
Frenza
shots
Bird,
in
il
the
Comendone ha
first
sbagliato
quarter.
tanto,
You
il
can see it
Comendone
effectively.
deve
We've been
allenarti
struggling
per diventare un grande
offensively
campione,
those
Comendone,
last
dai,
matches. But we're a
come.
defensive team.
Come non possiamo
And
perdere
we
con
gotta beat
Phoenix,
them in the third
Comendone, svelati.
Doc,
Ciao Doris.
Presented by Sprint.
Non vedo l'ora di fare la carriera come Indiana.
It'll be the Warrior. LeBron. The Sprint.
Dai, che l'amichevole non me ne frega niente il rapporto sessuale intervallo.
And now the start of the second half. Neither side jumping out ahead
Mamma
through the
mia, che
first two
gioco,
quarters.
fioi, che
Have to like what
gioco.
we're seeing from
Sto
Green.
sapendo le bombe, ma
Well, I
comunque che
love
gioco.
his tenacity defensively. The way he plays at that end of the floor.
Oh,
Here in this game.
And as the game moves on, I think
fallo di
they should continue to be
ostruzione.
aggressive defensively.
Mangiami il pacco.
Ball handlers off balance and uncomfortable.
Il primo è dentro.
Setting the floor for the Clippers.
Ma anche come la palla va sulla rete, c'è tutto quanto.
CP3 at point with Redick there at the backcourt. And it's Dudley in at the small forward
Vai Paul.
position.
You know, when you're one of the worst teams in the league, you have a lot of problems. And for the Suns, one of their biggest problems was that opponents shot very close to 40% against them from behind the arc. And that's
Ma
just
tenta
not a
non
winning
perderla.
Down to 5 on the shot clock. Here's Paul.
Bravo. Griffin! Blake
Got that
Griffin!
goal and powered it back in.
Pure Mike Clark, so strong going back up with that one.
That's exactly what he's capable of, guys. He's so strong.
So,
Morris kicks to Bledsoe. Outside.
no, è bravo. Ma Griffin c'è.
Corner off the mark. As you said, Clark with the Suns, dead last in the league in terms of opposing three-point percentage.
Griffin.
Defense overall was a
forse
problem
prendiamo un po' la
from
mano.
Steve, but especially in closing out on shooters beyond the arc.
Well, the three-point shot, Kevin, has become such a huge part of every NBA team's offense.
Cosa volevo fare qua?
If you're struggling to defend
E la recup, che culo di merda.
yourself at the bottom of the league defensively and
Stoppatore, stoppatore. Poi arriva cosa, il pelatone Hitman.
Clippers trail by 7. Ball outside.
Bravo, fallo. E vai Lunetta per il tiro libero. Supplementare.
Free throw coming his way.
I liberi devo veramente allenarmi,
The awareness, the alertness, and the presence of mind.
No, era buona.
And the Suns.
Ed anche il fallo, che
Group on the
pirla.
floor.
Shannon Brown got a chance to find consistent playing time last season, and I thought he had one of his best seasons to date. Did a good job.
Dai, uno
of
sbagliato,
attacking
per
more
fortuna.
and
Vai,
setting
Cindy
the
Crawford.
for the three all the time, and got some extra trips to the foul line.
Cosa ha fatto Crawford?
Stupendous rush to the rim and a mighty slam on
Para,
the
para,
end of it.
pa, 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 pa,
Through
pa,
the
pa,
teeth
pa,
of
pa,
some
pa,
pretty
pa.
soft D, and I can't help but say that.
well, let's see how that impacts things here. Because
Aia,
those
solo.
kinds of plays sometimes can be game changers on both sides.
Bisogna prendere la mano, raga.
Here's Kia bringing you the close-up on the big-time play. Ball left side.
Paul.
Myers from 14.
Peccato, però ha preso il fallo. Devo metterlo dentro, però dai.
Officials saw the contact and he'll shoot two. The Clippers
Bravo,
shoot
Paul.
their 7th and 8th attempts at the foul line tonight. Los Angeles making a switch here.
E anche il secondo, 2 su 2. Bravo Chris. Dai che siamo là.
He's got ice water in
Lottiamo.
his veins, fellas. No way he's going to miss from the line, and the game still
Dai,
hanging.
quarto quarto.
I've seen him make two.
And we've watched 3 so far in this one.
Comunque ragazzi,
Suns ahead, up by 4.
gioco
2K Sports.
veramente
Moment here from the US Air Raid
devastante.
Center.
Ma cazzo, ho ascoltato in velocità, ma c'erano i Genesis? No, perché mi pareva, forse ero totalmente estasiato che sento anche i miei gruppi preferiti nei giochi, ma
Presented by State Farm.
How about the creativity, guys? Terrific vision to pick out that
Collison,
pass,
vai.
set up the basket.
Some serious creativity. Line out there with Marcus Morris. And it's Kendall
Ball.
Marshall. And it's Brown.
no, cosa è uscito?
She's out there for
Peccato.
Phoenix leading by 4. Marshall with it.
Dai,
Pass to Len.
man. Stoppatona.
He gets it back. Marshall passes to Tucker.
No, adesso no. Che sfiga però.
Clippers trail by 6. Collison dishes to Jamison.
Vai, com'è?
Clippers moving the ball around.
Paul.
Ball for 3.
Tiro di merda, niente, lo prende dopo la mano per i tiri da fuori,
Just hasn't looked right.
Neanche con i big sbaglio, cioè,
Out
pazzesco.
of sorts, if you will. Something's off with his mechanics.
Palla ai Clippers.
At least as I look at it.
So
Arriva la sconfitta, ma probabilmente, ma chi se ne frega. Questo è un video per far vedere il gioco.
over 2 seconds down.
Noi partiamo con la carriera come indiana. Mi dispiace interrompere l'altra,
And Redick kicks the ball.
però sono convinto che anche voi, insomma, siete dell'idea che non si può non giocare a questo
Feeds
gioco.
it to Jordan.
Comunque aspetto commentini.
Shot clock at 6. Ball kicks to Jordan.
Ah, è solo che devo veramente migliorare tanto perché
Line to shoot 2.
Well, Jordan is a highlight machine.
Dio santo, madonna, non metto un libero.
Catching lobs from teammates. He's just so athletic for a 7-footer. It seems like his head gets up near the rim when he's dunking the ball.
Oh yeah, you just love it.
Blake Griffin!
Did the players on defense
Mamma mia, la stavo sbagliando.
and float shots over him.
Spettacolo.
He's so explosive rising up that he just goes up and
Fallo di Paul,
gets it away when he
volontario.
gets nothing at all. And he commits the intentional foul. First minute and a half of basketball
Fallo di
played
Paul.
in the fourth quarter. And an intentional foul right there.
Dragic.
He hits the
Dragic
first
la
foul,
mette.
and that puts them up by 5.
Dragic mette anche il secondo.
In both at the line, it's a 6-point ball game.
Well done at the free throw
Da
line.
fare presto, vai Paul, proviamoci almeno.
Easier on them if they can continue to convert.
Here's Paul.
Bravo, bella questa. Ogni tanto, che bella azione.
They trail by just 4.
He used his strength there to get into the post without much of a fight from the defense.
Per vincere dovevo mettere Miami.
Do a better job next time.
And they go
Dragic.
to the intentional foul.
E la mette ancora.
First one, that puts them up by 5.
Dragic. È sempre 2 su 2.
And it's a 6-point ball game. Final quarter here, and we're just over a minute and a half through it. Jordan, the pass to Paul. Kicks to Douglas. Left to the
Veloci.
wing.
Devo liberare 1 da 3.
Now here's Reddick. Tight defense on him.
Paul.
Three.
Non ne va una.
And so they choose.
Niente, perso ragazzi, però io... Sarà anche dura a giocare, sono troppo impegnato a guardarmi il pubblico, le azioni, i movimenti dei giocatori, cioè... Dopo la 2K ha fatto qualcosa di devastante. Chissà il prossimo WWE anche. Spettacolo puro. Guarda Griffin, guarda Griffin.
7 seconds left in the fourth. Guys, what do you think?
Well, they can game plan all they want, but there's not
Ragazzi, ho
enough
parto
time
subito
left
con
for
la
them to come back and
carriera,
win this
cioè...
game.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure exactly
Sempre allo
what
stesso
they think
metodo,
they're
3
gonna pull off
partite,
here.
tipo 11, 12, 13, poi 20, sempre così come ho fatto con la carriera con NBA All Generation. Va bene, finita. Ora, me lo dà? Me lo dà o no? Dai, dammelo. No, non me l'ha dato, bastardo. Va bene, dai.
Well, Goran, congratulations
Spettacolo.
on the win tonight. A game where you certainly had some nice bench production. What does it take for this team to play at its best?
I mean, everybody's playing hard, you know, even the guys from the bench.
Non ho parole,
we
Fede,
need
non ho
everybody,
parole.
even, including the bench. Everybody has to be focused, play hard, and especially in defense.
Playing hard is always a great starting point. Goran, congratulations. Guys, back to you.
Thank you, Doris. And folks,
Ragazzi, con queste immagini un saluto del commentone veneziano. Gioco stellare, però un po' difficile. Devo prendere un bel po' la mano. Molto diverso da 2K per 2K14 per PlayStation 3 per Xbox 360 e PC. Raga, un saluto del commentone veneziano. Ciao!
Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano. Commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, commenda veneziano, lo youtubers italiano.